One interesting thing that a lot of people don't know is that the Nigerian market most times pay higher returns than others. For example, in the US, UK, interest on their bonds is like 4.3%, 4.4%, but here in Nigeria, you can easily get like 7%. In fact, the last bond the government issued was above 9%. And these investments are in dollars. This investment banker is here to show you how you can take advantage of these opportunities. If your reason for not investing in the Nigerian market and enjoying the high rate is because you don't want your money losing value in naira, this video is for you. Because for a lot of our people abroad, it's a thing of concern for them, but not anymore. Because in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you different investment opportunity that I advise my clients, which they use to invest and enjoy attractive rates in the Nigerian market while still preserving their money in dollars. Yes, there are different ways you can invest and earn in dollars here in Nigeria. I'm going to be sharing all of that with you in this video. I am Financial Jennifer. I am an investment banker, a chartered accountant, a chartered stockbroker, a licensed dealer in the Nigerian market. But most importantly, your money cheerleader. On this community, we are all about securing the bag, passive income, investment ideas, business ideas. And this year particularly, I'm really interested in guiding a lot of our Nigerians abroad, because I realize that many of our community members on this channel stay outside the country and they usually need guide. They have questions, they need someone to walk them through on the available investments down here in the country. That's what I want to be doing more often going forward. So if you know anyone out there, if you have friends out there, forward this video to them, and if you've not, hit the subscription button right away. One thing that makes me so happy is seeing our people abroad investing back home. By investing here, you are not only just earning returns for yourself, you are also contributing to the growth of our nation's economy, and it's also a way to diversify your portfolio. Investing in Nigeria offers access to developing market that is not available where you are living, and I'm here to ensure that you have every information and assistance you need in investing in your fatherland. Hit that subscription button, because you see this 2025, now me and you on top of this money matter, this is definitely going to be your best money year yet. So here are 4 different investments you can make in dollar. I'm going to explain how each one works, how much you need, the risk involved, and how you can start. Let's dive in. But please, if you have not, hit that like button on the video. Thank you. Number 1 way you can invest in dollar, which is the easiest way, which is the one you can pick up your phone right now and execute. That is leveraging credible fintech platforms, high interest savings account, right? A lot of the fintech out there, we have so many of them in Nigeria. There is the Optimus, there is the Cowrywise, there is the Piggyvest. So many of them offers you opportunity to save your money in dollars. You don't have to change to naira. You don't have to do that, right? There is a way. Okay, let me use Optimus for example. When you get to the Optimus app now and you choose the dollar wallet, they have different dollar savings. There is the OptiFlex dollar, there is the OptiLock dollar, where you log the funds. You can decide that, okay, I'm going to leave it for like 1 year, 6 months, 9 months. It's up to you. So when you pick it, the way you fund it, they will show you a DOM account, a dollar account. So with that, you could transfer money directly into that dollar account. And the beautiful thing is this: when the investment matures, you don't have to change it to naira. You can also pull it out in dollar, right? There is room for you to enter your dollar account, your dollar information, so that on maturity, when you want to withdraw, they will also pay you dollar into that DOM account you registered. So for Optimus in particular, I think the interest rate is up to 7%. That is, depending on how long you are locking the money, you could get 5%, 6%, or 7%. That is one opportunity. I think this one is very easy. You don't need to do anything. Minimum $1. With $1, you could save, right? The risk involved when it comes to fintech platforms, the risk usually is with the particular platform. Are they regularized? Who are the founders? Because we've seen a lot of platforms come and go. Personally, I love Optimus because it's owned by an investment bank, right? So I feel more confident. They've been in business for like, I think up to 27 years now, thereabout. There are others as well. So what I advise, before you settle for anyone, check them out. How long have they been in business? Who are the founders? So that you know that no matter how long you are leaving your funds there, is in safe hands, right? That is what you really usually determines the risk, because apart from that, it's a fixed income something. When you lock the money, if they say it's 7%, it's 7%, no matter what's happened. At the end of the day, is that 7% you are getting. So the risk of fluctuation is removed. It's not the risk of safety. So you do your due diligence, even where you are, right? Even the country where you are, there are also platforms doing similar things. But the truth is that most of them will pay you like 2%, 3%, right? But when you bring it over here, you could get up to 7% or more in fintech platforms. So I'm going to leave the link to sign up on Optimus, maybe Piggyvest, even Bamboo. Yeah, Bamboo also have fixed income offer. I'm going to leave some of this link on the description in case if you want to check them out and sign up. The second way you could invest in dollar here in Nigeria is through government bonds. So sometime last year in August, the government issued a $500 million bond and the interest rate was 9.75% per annum. 9.75. My dear, before you see this one outside, it go hard, right? It was really attractive. That investment was like for 5 years, right? To invest your money 5 years, you'll be getting interest payments. At the end of the tenure, you get back your capital. So for that particular one in August last year, the minimum was $10,000, right? If you have $10,000, you could key in, but you can then do in multiples of 1,000. I know time and again the government come up with these offers. I'm looking forward to them opening another one because that one, people rushed it because the rate was so attractive. So whenever the next one opens, if you would want me to notify you, let me know in the comments so that once they come again with such offer, I would let you know. So how much do you need to invest in domestic dollar bond like this? It depends, right? The government will be the one to tell us how much is needed. Like that last one, it was $10,000. When they open another one, we would also know how much is needed. What is the risk involved? The risk is low because it's with the government. And when you're investing with the government, we see it at low risk. At least so far, the government has not defaulted on any of their obligations, and we are hoping that they would never default. That one is going to be like mature in the next 5 years. We expect them by 5 years' time pay back. What's the worst that can happen? They will issue another one now, right? So investing with the government, I don't know, anything can happen because never say never. But if it's with the government, we consider it as low risk. How do you key into investment like this? Most times it's through brokerage houses. We have brokers. I'm just a stockbroker. So we have brokers and brokerage houses, issuing houses that collect this thing. All you need to do is to send them an email or send them a mandate. They usually have form you can fill and details you can fund. Don't worry, like I said, if you would want me to notify you and guide you when the next one open, let me know. I'm going to do that. Also on bonds is the Euro bonds, but sometimes we don't really talk much about it because with Euro bonds, you need like $200,000 to invest in it. But there is a way you could invest in Euro bonds with lesser amount, even if it's $1,100. You could key into Euro bonds. We are going to get into that shortly. Number 3 way you could invest in dollars in the Nigerian market and earn amazing interest in dollars is through dollar mutual funds. I mentioned Eurobond before. So what a lot of houses do now, investment professionals do, investment houses I mean, when there are Eurobonds, like with Eurobonds, you say you need $200,000. Not everyone could afford that. So some of them, they come up with this portfolio, dollar bonds, dollar mutual funds. Mutual fund is more like us pulling funds together. Different people will come, you bring your, maybe I have $100, you have $5,000, different people pull it together. When we put together, obviously it should be up to 200. They can now go ahead. You don't want to put it in Euro bonds, you don't want to put it in the US market. It depends. They can now go and invest it. But the cocoa is that at the end of the day, our money is earning interest in dollars, and they also pay dividend. So for example, now if you want to do dollar mutual funds, there are many of them out there, but the two I love, the two I do is the one on Optimus app. They one by Afrinvest. Optimus is owned by Afrinvest. So the dollar bond is ADF, Afrinvest dollar fund, right? So if you are using Optimus, I have a detailed video on how to invest in mutual fund on this channel. Please check it out because I shared my screen. I walked you through step by step, right? So when you log into your Optimus app, it's called ADF. If you look for it, the minimum I think is it $10 or something. It's small money. I think the minimum is that it should be $10 or even less, right? So any amount you have, you could invest in the dollar fund. Alternatively, is also the Stanbic IBTC also have dollar mutual fund. So for both Stanbic and Optimus, the link to sign up to any of these, I'll leave them in the description so that if you are interested after watching this video, you could go sign up, check the funds out. Dollar mutual fund is interesting, it's an amazing one, but the risk involved is this. With mutual fund, your money is not guaranteed. This is what I mean. Sometimes the price could go below what you bought. It could go below your capital. It doesn't happen all the time, but it's possible. So I should let you know ahead of time. Although it will be paying you interest. So whatever you missed out from the capital part, you could get it back in interest, and it could also go back up. I remember, was it 2 or 3 years ago when the dollar funds kind of dipped, but over time it went up again. So if you have a long-term horizon, you should consider it. But if you don't want to hear that kind of story, my dear, you might want to leave dollar mutual fund. You might want to just go and lock the funds. So how do you get started? Like already mentioned, you need a platform that houses Cowrywise has also have dollar mutual funds, but I use Optimus. You could sign up on Optimus, go to the mutual fund section, you will see it. Just check my dedicated video on mutual fund. I will also leave the link to that video on the description so that you can watch me do it step by step. Also, you could just sign up on the Stanbic mutual fund platform if that's the one you want to do. I will also leave a link for it. If you want me to do a special video for you on the Stanbic one, let me know. I'ma do that. The fourth way you could preserve your money in dollars is investing in US stock, right? Whether you are in Nigeria, you are outside Nigeria, wherever you are, you could take advantage of the US stock market. Oh my God, you know I love stock. Investing in stock is a great way for you to grow your money. The world's richest men, these people make their money from the stock market. We should be doing the same, right? So when you invest in the stock market, you know, all those favorite companies, the Apple, the Amazon, the Netflix, you could invest in these companies. What's going to happen? You have two ways to make money from this. Number one, which is like my favorite, is value appreciation. You buy a stock for $100, before you know it, it is 120, it's 150, it's 200. I have stock that returned up to 500%, 800% last year, right? So this is an amazing way to grow your money. Second way is dividend payment. Some of these companies pay dividend. I think I got dividend from Apple some days back. Apple pays dividend 4 times in a year. They pay every quarter. We are getting dividend payment. Some people, they live off the money from dividend. It didn't happen over time. What they did is, as they're actively working, as they are young like you are, they start investing in these things, piling it up, piling it up. When you now get to the point where maybe you no longer work, or your retirement, you have something coming in through dividend and you can sell. I have one of my oldest clients. He stays in the US. This man, he doesn't work anymore. He's close to 80. But if you see his portfolio, Jesus, he has stocks in the Nigerian market, he has in the US market. He's not doing anything. His own is that almost every month he's coming back to Nigeria. The money is there, right? So he built up this portfolio. Why? When he was still younger. Now his own is to be flexing. What is he doing again with his life? Nothing. Enjoy your money, right? So investing in stock is something I really encourage everyone to explore, right? So here in Nigeria, there are different ways you could do that. There are different platforms. You have the Trove, you have the Bamboo, you have the Optimus, which you have mentioned. So many platforms that can help you invest in the foreign market, or even where you are. I don't know the country you are. There is a Trading 212, there is a eToro, there's so many of them, depending on where you are. Maybe you could let me know the country you are. I could check for the platform that is obtainable in your country and share with you, right? Unless you want to do it here in Nigeria, but you have to be able to fund, right? How do you fund? If you're using the Nigerian platform, number one, you can pay in direct dollar if you have the means, or if you have Naira, you can pay in Naira and swap it to dollar. Platforms like Optimus, they do that. You can pay in Naira, then swap it to dollar and invest. So even this stock as well, I have a detailed video on this community. Anything you need to make this money, you have it in this community. Now you never want to start, right? So let me know what you need. Let me know if you have any question. And okay, if you want to invest in the stock market here in Nigeria, like using the Nigerian platforms, you need your BVN, you need your utility bill and all that to sign up. Or like I said, you could check out the platform where you are. Also with stock, you can invest in ETF. ETF is like a pool of different stock. I also have a dedicated video on ETF, right? It's a pool of different stock to have it together. Example, the one S&P 500, there are ETFs that track the S&P 500. S&P 500 just means the top 500 companies in the US, right? There are so many ETFs tracking them. My favorite is VOO. VOO is an ETF that tracks all of these companies. So if you invest in VOO, you have a tiny stake in all of these companies. How much do you need, my dear? With $1. With $1, you can buy any stock. That's what we call fractional shares. For instance, Facebook shares now is like $700 and something. If I have $1, I will buy it. With $1, I can become a shareholder in Facebook, right? So that's what we call fractional shares. You get a fraction of whatever amount you have. I always tell my clients these things. Just dedicate yourself that every month your income, for most of the people abroad, their income comes in to 2 weeks. Have a particular amount you move into these things. Oh, and if you would want me to work with you more closely, our Wealth Builders Academy is an academy, an online school for 3 weeks. I'm going to guide you in different investments, not just the ones we've mentioned, a lot of other investment, treasury bill, commercial paper, government bond, building your income statements, building your budgeting. All of these are things we walk our students through in the Wealth Builders Academy. The one for the next cohort is currently enrolling. Please, I really advise, I highly recommend it. With small money, see the link on the description, or I'm going to pin it on the comment. Join us in that academy. And then finally, something else we've been doing both for our people in diaspora and here in Nigeria, we are looking to invest. We're already doing that in real estate, right? Oh God, you can't be a member of this community and not end this year as a landowner, right? So we are coming together, find amazing properties, solid properties. I notify you. We have a team already working on this. They look at these things, they do the check. Once we see a good one, a nice one, we have a wait list. If you have not joined that wait list, I'm going to leave it on the description. Just drop your details there so that when we see amazing property, there's even one that is currently on. If you see amazing properties, I'm going to notify you, right? So you go and drop your details, and when something is up or the one ongoing, I'm going to send you an email with the full details, with the price, the location, and everything, right? So because real estate is something a lot of you abroad really love. For some people, they don't have, maybe they don't have trusted people to help them check out this thing. That is one of the things we are doing in this community, because I feel like we should go beyond being just an internet community. Let's become co-investors, and that's the goal of that co-investing project. So the link will be on the description. And then let me know all of these investments we discussed. Do you have any question with any of them? And like I mentioned, the detailed video like the stock, the mutual fund, the ETF, I have detailed video of all of them already on this community before. Let me just make sure you watch them. I'm going to leave the link to them on the description. Let me know any question you have, and of course share the video to your friends abroad, to your community there in abroad. They are going to find it so helpful. See you on those other videos in the description now.